Hey my babies, welcome back to my channel. It's Duto, aka Nia. If it's your first time stopping by, don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel. Oops. Anyways, we have an unwanted guest today, and this right here is Lyra. And as you can see, I'm installing her wig for her. But first, let's talk about this hair. This hair was sent to me by SUNBER Hair, and every detail about this hair is going to be in the description box. I'm going to tell you guys the pros and cons of this hair. Anyways, let's go ahead. So I went ahead to pick the frontal, but I picked one side before I picked the other side. So I picked the first side on camera and picked the other side off camera. We went ahead to cut it, but before I even started picking the frontal, I actually stained the frontal with some foundation just to make it look like it was bleached. You get me? Yeah, come on, give us that dance. Oh my god, Lyra is crazy. Anyways, I went ahead to spray with some water and we were just boogieing, you know, to some Davido and all of that. Then I went ahead to stick down the hair, and you lot know about this glue. Got to be, please who does not know, excuse me, are you living under a rock? Anyways, that's what I used to stick down her hair. And after doing that, as you can see, I actually didn't use my fingers because I heard that if you use your finger, it's going to transfer some I don't know, oils to the hair and it won't stick down properly or something like that. I don't know, but I didn't do that. Anyways, follow me on my social media platforms, yeah, and also Lyra's social media is going to be down below. This guy's a troublemaker, I tell you. Honestly, I had a hard time doing Lyra's hair. She is so troublesome. Anyways, I went ahead to pick out some baby hairs in front, and yeah, I got one of my stupid friends to help me out with the baby hairs, and you see her doing it. She feels like she's a baby hair goddess, bitch. Anyways, Layla is going to help us, you know, lay them edges and make them look right and all of that. Yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing, and Lyra could not shut up for a second. Flip sake. Anyways, yeah. Oopsie, baby hairs on fleek. Flicky. Yeah, to do the baby hairs, we actually used the same got to be glue, but we used a lot of water just to like loosen up the front hair first of all. You get me? And as you can see, I'm using the damp face towel to actually just wipe off the excess glue on her face. Then I had to spray the hair with some water, and I guess now it's time for the makeup. Whoops. I went ahead to use this brow pencil my friend Halima got from Nigeria. I don't know what the fuck she got it from. Sorry, I don't know what company that is, but anyways, when I find out, I'll let you guys know. I went in to fill Lyra's brows. Lyra's brows are so beautiful, like on the normals, but anyways, yeah. And then oh my god, you guys should not chop me, please. I actually used an extremely light concealer that day because I didn't find my other one, or I think I had finished. Yeah, so I used an extremely light concealer, and I was like, oh my god, because it was too bright on her eyebrows. I was like, please, you guys, please pardon me, thank you. Anyways, I went ahead to like do her brows, and as you can see, I'm just, you know, blending everything in, making it look beautiful and all of that. Yeah, someone is creeping down there. Oh my god. You guys, this is the problem you have when you have too many people at home at the same time. Anyways, I went ahead to do the top of her brows, and that's pretty much what her brows look like. Then I went ahead to set her eyelids with some powder, and then I went into my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, and I used that orange color, that neon orange, and I went ahead to blend that into her crease as well. Then I went deeper into the reddish tone just to, you know, deepen out the crease area, and you have to blend that pretty much in very well. Oh my god. You guys, I'm going to have a heart attack. These kids did not let me rest that day. Anyways, let's just keep going. You know. Now it's time to line her eyes, and I use the e.l.f. eyeliner. As you can see, this is in jet black. I guess that's the name. Oh my god, somebody else is creeping again. Can this you guys, this is what I saw for. That's Halima. I know it's good. Anyways, yeah, I went in with that eyeliner, and I realized I didn't really like how the crease area was because like the makeup was not looking as good as I wanted it to, so I deepened the crease a bit more, you get me, at the corners, yeah. I just see the purple color, nothing too serious. Then I went ahead to use these lashes from Cherish, and I used them on her eyes, and they looked beautiful. You guys, I hate that eyelash glue. That black one is trash. You guys, if you want to do any eye makeup look, do not go for that glue. I bet you hate it so much. I went ahead to use the primer to prime my face, Smash Shot primer to be precise. Then I used her foundation, and she's using the what's that foundation? Lancome foundation. That's what I used on her face, and that was her own foundation. Yep. And I went ahead to blend this into her skin using my brush, my flat kabuki brush, Sigma. Anyways, I blended it into her skin, and she could not shut up. Oh, oh my god, I can't breathe. Anyways, I used the same concealer I used on the top of her brows, just to, you know, highlight on her eyes and all that gibberish. This concealer is absolutely amazing, guys. You guys know I use it all the flipping time. I did that on her forehead because she has a big forehead like me. Anyways, I'm going to blend this into her skin. You have to blend it, and this method was just a method I was trying out. I tried it out by myself and it worked out. That's using a brush to blend out the foundation and concealer, whatever, and it did work. But I think I ended up using a beauty blender to kind of spread it out a little bit more. Yeah, as you can see me, that's pretty much what I did. Now I think, yeah, I'm going to be setting her face with Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and that's only for the areas that I highlighted. And you guys know I don't do stick contour thingies. I do not stick contour. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyways, yeah, I set on her eyes. I do not bake as well. Then I went onto her face to contour her face, and you guys know I use my eyeshadow palette to do my contour. As you can see, it's not really showing properly on her face. I think Libra is a bit lighter than me. I'm not too sure, but anyways, yeah. Actually, it's meant to show on her face if she's a bit lighter than me. Anyways, yeah. I went ahead to contour her face, and somebody's in the background doing what I don't know. Oh my god, you guys. These kids cannot let me be. I went ahead to set her face. I think this makeup took the shortest time ever. I don't really like how the makeup came out, to be honest, but I don't know. I'm definitely going to do something better on her face, and I'll show you guys when I do it. So what I did on top was the same thing I did on the bottom of her eyelids. No, not eyelids, of her eyes. Anyways, yeah, I went ahead to blend the same colors on the top down, and yeah, I just went into her tear duct area with something light. Something light. Anyways, I went ahead to blend that in again, and then I highlighted her face. The bitch couldn't shut up. Anyways, I went ahead to highlight her face with my eyeshadow palette as well. All the eyeshadow palettes I used, apart from the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, were from Juvia's Place, and I bought them on the Juvia's Place website. So many of you asked me that question. Yeah. Her lips, I did not find my actual lipstick I wanted to use on those lips, so I went ahead to use my Night Moth lip pencil from MAC, and then I used this lipstick from Bella Cosmetics, and it did look okay, but I wish it was a bit better. Anyways, let's go ahead. I told you guys I don't really like how the makeup came out, but that's pretty much what the makeup came out looking like, and this hair is gorgeous, guys. Please, you guys, let me just give you a warning. If you're buying curly hair, no matter what company you're getting it from, please do not sleep with that hair, because she ended up complaining about a lot of things with the hair and everything. But yeah, the hair is so beautiful. It takes in water pretty well. Like, it just laid very well on her head. Her head is so big. Yeah, it looks so nice. I feel it was really easy to pick the frontal. Everything, the frontal is so full. Oh my god, the frontal is flipping full. You can even see it from here. Yeah, the frontal is so full. The hair is really coily. The curls are just perfect. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys want more of these videos, please comment down below, and also leave a like. Okay, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. See you guys in my next one. Bye.